this is my mom. Say hi.
And this is our famous train that comes through here.
Famous train?
It's a freight train.
Oh.
It's been coming through Richmond for years.
Oh yeah?
Yes. Yeah.
And as you can see, the tracks. Hi. As you can see, the tracks are right here, and the road's right there. That's downtown. That's how close it is. Old towns, you gotta love it.
And this is the famous Gunter's. This is Gunter's bar.
Yeah?
And Gunter's was famous. Wayne Gretzky's been here, Bobby Hall, and Bobby Orr has been here for a beer.
Wow.
A famous Budweiser beer.
All right. I love trains. I'm sorry. I was distracted.
From this direction up here and Clyde.
Yeah?
Yeah. I think the train comes from up there.
Say hi, Internet.
Hi there.